VegasLoveBug at Yamaba. I got the special and Timberwolf Deluxe, and I'm going to try the 16 games. Let's see if anything good happens. Come on. Let's see some numbers. No numbers. Come on. No numbers. I don't believe. Oh, here we go. No respin. Oh, I'm getting nervous now. Come on. Do something. Well, 240 times 4. It's a little something. How are you this morning? Two games left. Oh! Will I get something this time? Oh, come on, give me a no respin? Come on. Jack. No jack. No respin. Well, my 20 turned into 30. Oh, well. I'll keep playing it. Maybe something good will happen again. Maybe not. Come on. Almost. Oh, almost again. Almost. 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 Oh, they all keep showing up. Nothing happens. I'm going to 50 cents. Yeah, go to 50 cents. Get the Wolves 150 times 6. Okay. Take a couple more spins and I'll go back to $1. One more spin. Back to $1. And I'm VegasLoveBug. How you doing out there this morning? Oh, I gotta get that. I gotta get more than 2, more than 1. Come on, one more. Oh, I got 10. I got bears. I almost got it again. I needed to go all the way across. Come on. Nice. Okay. That helps. Come on. Come on, Owls. There we go. $12. Just what I need, just in time. Yamaba. Come on, Owls. Come on, Owls. Oh, that looks like a whopper. 16 times $2.40. Wow. That's 30-something dollars. That's pretty good. I like it when the coins fly. That's really good. I'm going to hit the button. Oh, 38.40. Good. I think maybe I should go up and bet to $1.50. Come on. Something's bound to happen. I'm probably going to go broke. Oh, I got bears. $1.20 times 8. That's good. I think I'm going to try 4 spins at $2.50. 2, 3, 4. I think I'll try one more. Another one. Going out of my mind. Almost again. Almost again. Nothing is happening. Going back to $1. How fast the money goes away when you try and get something good. Look at that. Why didn't 2 more show up? 50 cents. Oh yeah, howling away. Okay. Okay. Come on. like I got 9 spins left. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I got 5 spins left now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I needed one more owl in the middle. 2 spins left. And I got the guys, so I got 2 more spins. Oh, I got more than that. How lucky I am. I got 4 more spins. 2. Oh, I got even more spins. Come on. So it's looking up. Yeah, dynamite, Amy. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do dollars again. Come on. Come on. It ain't working. Back to 50 cents. Weird, you go back to 50 cents and it goes 2 owls. And with that, VegasLoveBug is signing off from Yamava.